When I say I love you, it means that I treasure your heart. It means that I value you. And it means that I see a future with you. My love, when I say I love you, it means that I trust you with my whole soul. It means that you being happy makes me happy. And it means that I would never ever want to do anything to hurt you. So, my dear, when I say I love you, please don't take it lightly. For me, the word love holds weight. It means something to me. It means something more than I like you or I have a crush on you. To me, I love you means that I see my universe pointed to your direction. It means that I recognize how lucky I am to have you. And when I say it to you, my love, please remember that when I say I love you, it means that I always will. You are my entire universe. Please subscribe my channel, Life with Saj, because I speak what you feel.